Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google form and linking it to a spreadsheet so timestamps and responses flow automatically. Once done, make sure you have editor rights in both form and sheet. This lets you add automation. Next, open the linked sheet and choose extensions Right Arrow Apps Script to begin adding the deadline logic. You do this now because App Script controls response acceptance. It's the only reliable way to enforce a cutoff without manual checking. You will write a small app script that checks the current date time versus your deadline and either rejects submissions or marks them. Start by creating a function that reads the deadline from a sheet cell or a hard-coded ISO data time. This makes updates easy. Then implement logic to delete late rows, email respondents, or toggle form. Accepting responses equals false. Finally, add an installable trigger. Form submit for immediate checks, or you now test everything. Run the script manually with test submissions and verify the form closes at the right moment, and that late entries are handled as you intended. Make sure the spreadsheet's time zone matches your expected deadline. Mismatches cause off-by-hours errors. Once satisfied, enable the trigger and update the form's confirmation message to explain why it's closed. If something goes wrong, check trigger permissions and the app's script execution log. Fixing those two items resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.